Hello guys, and welcome to another weekly review. So we are going to be analyzing the markets using as usual, the the dollar index as our indicator. All right. So right now the market has been bullish. The market has been bullish. So we'll, we'll likely follow the momentum of this market. So we will be looking at this high to be taken this particular week. We see some large momentums like this, then we could see it taking at this high, uh, or just coming to this rejection candle. Okay, so we could see the market trading higher. So we're going to be bullish for this particular week, and from the 4-hour time frame, what can we likely see? We could actually see the market trade maybe to this particular order block. Oh. Alright, so we could likely see the market trade to this particular order block, find some supports and go higher, or any of these price points here. So it could actually come maybe to this particular candle, then go higher. It might not even come down here, but we'll likely see it to drop to this particular order block. Alright, so that we can resume the buy, because the market has been really bullish. Okay, so breaking structures, so we are likely going to see the market trade lower, then go higher. So we are going to sell to buy. All right, okay, so let's look for the euro USD. All right, so likewise for the euro USD, we are going to be bearish. We're going to be bearish because from the daily time frame, we are looking for this low to be taken. Alright, so I'm looking for this low to be taken before coming up to this other price point. Okay, so let's see. Last time we are actually looking for this equal highs to be taken, but that did not occur. It went there and then continued go lower, so it didn't actually take it out. So we are going to see the market might is that we actually look for a support on this particular daily candle, this particular order block right now, because it broke market structure. So we look for a support here and trade higher, or we could actually see a market broke and give us a 1 2, then the third sweep before going higher. Alright, so if we are still going to see the bullishness of dollar, then we are likely going to see the market trade higher to alright, so market trade higher to this particular point and then trade lower. Okay, so that's what we might likely see, taking out this low, but most importantly coming to this particular order block right here. So before we can look for if it takes out the low, so it might come to this particular point and then reverse, going to take out this equal highs, or it might continue going down. All right, so let's keep watch on that. All right, so now let's go to the pound. So for the pound, what can we see? Alright, so we can actually see this market. We can clearly see the market is refusing to trade higher. Alright, so it's practically consolidating. So we are looking forward for this low to be taken. Alright, we are looking forward for this low to be taken and this low. So if the market, like I said, is going to be bearish, I will be bearish on this pair. Alright, so I would like the market to actually trade lower, taking out this low, and then maybe taking out these lows as well, or it might find some support here and then trade higher to take out these highs and then this high, but I'll be looking to be bearish on this particular week. So let's look out for the 4 hour. What can we see in the 4 hour? So we can clearly see that markets went here, take out these highs, then drop. So the market can actually trade higher, come to this particular order block, and then trade lower. Alright, taking out this low, then this low, and then maybe coming to this other block up, even taking out the low. Alright, so that's what we're going to be looking out for. For the gold, let's see the daily. Alright, so for the gold, we are looking for this equal lows to be taken, and then this low. So we are still going to be bearish on this. Market did not convincingly run through this high, so we are going to be careful. So the market could actually come down and maybe not able to take out this low, but we are still going to be bearish. It is safe to be bearish on this particular pair. Alright, so let's alright, so I would likely look for goes to, if it has momentum to actually trade, taking at this high one more time, just wick through it and then drop. Alright, so that's what I will be looking for. So I'll be looking for the bearishness of gold as well. And then let's see the USR. I don't think I will have USR on this. Okay, yeah. So this is the USR. Alright, and we can actually see some momentum. We could actually see the markets going higher again. So though the market came to break this structure, so we might see it coming to this particular block for a retest. Alright, so we will just likely continue the bullish nature of this particular pair. So we are still going to be bullish. Alright, so we're going to be bullish until the market actually take out all these highs, take out all this particular high, and then we'll see if have the momentum to get up to this particular high. So we are still going to maintain our bullishness on this pair. Alright, so that's what I will be looking out for the pairs I will be looking at to trade for this coming week. Okay guys, so I hope you find this insightful, and then we look forward on what the market will unfold for us, and I hope you have a very good week ahead of you. Alright guys.